Good morning, students. I am going to explain you the poem The Rebel, Unit 2 of your Honeycomb book. The poem is written by DJ Enright. Now, who is a rebel? Rebel is a person who do the things against the mainstream. Means if you want to play outside, the rebel would prefer to stay inside. He won't be going to play outside because all the people are playing outside. So because of his nature, he would stay inside. He will do the things against the people, opposite to the people in general. Okay, now let us see the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. So when the rebels see that all the people had cut their hair short, so that time he would not like to cut his hair short, he would like to grow his hair long. And when he sees that when everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hairs short. So when he sees that all the people have grown their hair long, but because of his nature, he will cut his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When some lesson is going on, an important lesson is going on, or the teacher is teaching in the class, or everybody makes noise, they talk with each other, but rebel would stay very silent. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. And when others keep silent in the classroom, or they stay quiet during some lesson, but the rebel will create lot of disturbance. He will make lot of noise to create disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears a uniform, suppose all of you are going to the school and you wear uniform, but rebel would not like to do so. He would wear very fancy dress, because all are wearing uniform. So because of his nature, he would go against them, and he will wear fantastic clothes, you can say fancy clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. And when everyone wants to wear fantastic clothes, when everybody would wear fancy clothes, suppose they are going to attend the party, so they wear fancy clothes, but the rebel will not wear the fancy clothes that time, because most of the people are wearing so he will wear sober dress, or you can say he would like to wear uniform. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When all the people have their dogs with them, they love their dogs and they prefer to have dogs, then the rebel will go against opposite to them, and he would like to have cat with him. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. And when everyone talks about the cat, when he stays with the cat lovers who love cats, who love to keep cats with them as a pet, but that time rebel will go against cats, and he would say good things about the dogs. He would like to have a dog with him. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everyone wants, like in winters, we like to have sunlight, we like to sit under the sunlight. When everyone is praising the sun, means when everyone likes to have warmth of the sun, the rebel would like to have the rain. And when everyone is greeting for the rain, there is a time when everyone wants rain, the rebel will ask for the sun. So this is the behavior of the rebel. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. So when there is some meeting, the people usually go for the meeting, but rebel would don't like to, like in the colonies you have full meeting of some people to discuss about the matter, but rebel would don't like to go in the meeting, he don't like to attend the meeting, he will stay at home because others are going. And when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. And when everyone stays home and they don't go out for some meeting, they stays home and they read their books, that time rebel will go out for to attend the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody agree for something, some matter, some proposal, that time the rebel will say no, I don't agree, because of his character. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. And when everybody says no, this work should not be done, no thank you, I don't want anything, but the rebel will say yes please give me the thing, or yes, this work should be done. He is very good. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. It is good to have rebels in the society because they bring the other side of the coin, they bring the other options of the things. But being a rebel in the society, you may not find it very good to be one. But if you are a rebel, you will find it difficult to survive in the society, because people will say bad words about you. You will be regarded as a bad person in the society. So this is all about the poem.